In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drawing templates on TradingView. If you regularly use the same lines, shapes, or annotations across different charts, templates can save you time and keep your analysis consistent. I'll walk you through saving, applying, and deleting templates so you can build a quick, repeatable workflow. First, look at the top toolbar of your chart and find the Drawing Tools drop-down. It's the pencil icon. Click it to open the Drawing Tools panel where you usually pick trend lines, rectangles, text notes, and more. Inside that drop-down, click Templates. This is the hub where you'll manage everything related to drawing templates. You'll see options to save what you've drawn, apply something you saved earlier, or remove templates you no longer need. Let's start by saving your current drawings as a template. Make sure the chart already contains the drawings you want to reuse, things like support and resistance lines, channels, or labels. Then click Save Template. Enter a clear name that helps you recognize it later, and click Save. That name matters, especially if you plan to create a few versions for different strategies or timeframes. Your template preserves both the objects and their styles, so colors, line widths, and visibility settings are stored with it. When you're ready to reuse your setup, open the Templates menu again and select your saved template. TradingView will place those drawings on your current chart. This is great for keeping a consistent look across symbols, or for quickly applying the same markup after changing timeframes. If you don't immediately see what you expect, double-check that you're on the chart and timeframe where those drawings make sense. The template won't change the symbol or timeframe. It simply applies your saved drawings to wherever you are. If you want to clean up old or duplicate templates, you can remove them in the same place. Open the Templates menu, hover over the template you want to delete, and click the trash icon. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. Deleting is permanent, so only remove templates you're sure you won't need again. Keeping this list tidy makes it faster to find the template you want when you're in the middle of an analysis. That's all there is to it. Open the Drawing Tools drop-down, head to Templates, save your current setup, apply it whenever you need, and delete what you no longer use. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.